I'm Luke Tanton and I'm studying an engineering operative course as an apprentice at MG Allen with the role of heller operator.
My name is Joshua Barnes and I'm studying manufacturing engineering, doing the machinist route.
So I heard about apprenticeships through college from when I did college before as a full-time course, and then I wanted to learn on the job. So apprenticeships, I've really wanted to do one because I can learn while I'm working and get that workplace experience.
I heard about apprenticeships through school and I wanted to do one so I was able to gain experience in an industry while also getting a qualification.
The reason why we chose to employ apprentices is to help fulfil the longevity of the engineering industry in the UK and also to prolong our life as an engineering firm and a forever evolving company as well. If we don't bring apprentices through the system along with our existing machinists, then kind of engineering at some point starts to die a death a little because all your knowledge goes out the door. So it's important that the new knowledge comes through from the college perspective with all the new teaching methods and mechanical mechanisms that come through with it, as well as the working ethoses. And it's important that that is intertwined with the existing engineering background that we have here, because there's a lot of knowledge, past knowledge, that needs to be brought on and carried forward as well. So it's quite important you get the mix and the balance quite right between existing engineers and apprentices, new and up-and-coming engineers.
I enjoyed my time as an apprentice. My favourite thing about being an apprentice would be getting help and learning by the people who are in the industry.
I think my favourite thing about what I'm doing at the moment is learn on CNC machines. So I'm learning the machines that we're using in industry rather than just the machines that are available in sort of a full-time college course. So the broader machines that you wouldn't find necessarily at college.
My experiences being involved with the apprentices has actually been rather an enjoyable one. I don't think I've had an apprentice yet that's caused me an issue. They're obviously young men and women and individuals, and they will always need pointing in the right direction. We've all been there when we started our working careers. But they have been nothing but polite, helpful, willing. They've gone above and beyond. I've only ever had good reports back from the college as well, with the assessors that have come in to visit us. They've been extremely helpful and quite accommodating as well, because there are personal reasons as to why someone might be struggling a little bit perhaps with their college work or their job as well, and so we can sort of liaise together and get the best fit for the individual possible.
My sort of ambition is to build on my skills with my machining skills that I've picked up at work and my knowledge that I've learned at college, and then to use that to progress into CAD and to the design side of engineering in the future.
In 5 years' time, I'd hope to be a multi-skilled engineer working in the industry, whether that's here or somewhere else.
If another employee rang me and asked, what would be the benefits of employing or looking at going down the avenue of having apprentices, it would be a positive one back from me, because it's important also for them that they find the right youngster or group of youngsters that they can work with and again help carry their business forward, and more importantly just the industry on whole in this country.
I would say if someone is considering an apprenticeship, then look around at different companies, what they're interested in, to find out if there is somewhere that can accommodate them in an apprenticeship role.
I definitely recommend apprenticeships because you can learn while you're working, but you can also you get the input from college, so you get that theory side of it that you might get more of the hands-on at work. So you get sort of both sides of the same coin, and I think that's kind of the benefit, the beauty of apprenticeships.